guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wake up, guys. As you can see my face? I just wake up. I've not even brushed my teeth. I've not even do anything. I just decided to do this video for you guys. So today's video, I just want to because I have a lot of things to do today. Because I'm going to Osborg today, which I'll carry you guys along. I just want to check what is going on out there, and I'm still going to African store to buy few things in the house because we need things in the house, so I have to go this morning. Normally yesterday I went to another shopping in Fisher in near our house. I have the recipe already, so I can't show you guys what I do yesterday. And just decided to go to Osborg to carry you guys along. I just wake up to carry you guys along to tell you what I'm going to do today, so we can do things together today, so we can walk around. So guys, please, I just want to tell you something. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Share the video to friends and family, please. And this is what we do in our channel. My kids and I doing this channel. And please, guys, we need your support. Please support us. Please share the video to friends, family, and comment on our section below. If you need anything to ask me, comment on my section below, or if you can go to my Instagram. My Instagram name is Tope Adebowale, and you can check it out. I'll drop it so that, guys, you can comment if you want to tell me, if you want to ask me any question. Feel free to ask me. My Facebook address is Tope Adebowale, the same thing. So guys, feel free to ask me, guys. So this is what I'm doing. I just want to make something for my kids this morning, because normally now we every time Indomie. I was tired for Indomie. So now I decided, because last week I bought katofe, that's potato. So when I bought it, I tried to do it. I've tried to boil it for them, even the little one, and I realized that I love the potato, and I have to get another one for them to make it. That's why I just want to share this video with you guys to see what I'm going to do for my kids this morning. So I'm going to prepare potato and egg for them. So because Indomie every time, guys, it's even we adults. If you too much eating one food, you will get tired. So I just say, okay, let me try to check another thing for them. Let me give them another food. So let me just try this. So I'm trying this one 2 times now. So this is 3rd time. So I just want to do it this morning because I'm going to Osborg. And also I'm waiting. I'm waiting for my order. That's the reason I'm going to make this house. I think around 10 o'clock. I'll leave because I have to wait for 10:47. So I'm waiting for all my order DHL. I'm waiting for them 10 o'clock because they used to deliver 10 o'clock. So that's the reason. I cannot just left this morning. I have to leave at least 10 to 11. Let's say 12 o'clock. I'm going to get to Osborg. So guys, I'll carry you guys along today so that we can run together. We can run things together today, so we can run and check what is going on in the city, because we stay in village. So now we are going to city to just check what is happening there. So that is what we are going there for. We are not doing anything. We just want to buy a few things in African shop and come back home, just rally around, And nowadays, they say this holiday now, they put another 2 weeks. Guys, this thing is too much. I cannot. Hope my friend, hope you guys save. Please save for me, and God will bless you guys. God will protect every one of us. I know this Europe, we have already come to this Europe. I know nothing will happen to us in Jesus' name. So what I have today, so let me quickly show you what I'm going to use today so that you can see what I will be using. Or you can check my, because I don't put my, you can check my decision box what I use if you would like to make this kind of cake for your kids. Good is very nice, guys. You can try it for your kids also. You can try it for yourself also. You know, we Africa, we don't too like potato. We prefer yam more than potato, and the potato is very nice, guys. So I just want to show you how I make my own. So let's go to, this is the pot I'll use. So now I'm going to put salt, a little salt inside, and then yes, so a little sugar. Yes, I just put a little sugar inside. So sugar, because if you want the potato to reach, because some people don't like it, but if I use only salt, it's not going to bring what I want. So I like to put sugar. Okay, see guys, I put sugar and salt inside. So let's get to what I'm going to use. So this is my vegetable oil. I'm going to use this vegetable to fry the egg. I have 4 eggs. I have chopping onions. I have tomato, my fresh tomato. I have my Maggi. See the way I got this, so I'm going to wash it. So this is the water. Wash it. So I'm going to add just a little onions inside. So I'll cover it. So stay tuned. So guys, this is the tomato and onions I cut, and this is the remaining one. I don't want to finish it because they are kids. So this is the little one I'll be using, and the reason I will not put Scotch bonnet, the reason they are kids, and if you put it, they will not eat it. So that's the reason I just decided I should not put anything except this. I'll just make it like this. They like it like this. So I'm going to put it inside microwave for just 5 minutes, just 5 minutes to boil a little bit. So I'll add my Maggi. I'll just add a little Maggi. So guys, I put Maggi. So I'm going to put it inside the microwave now. So guys, this is the katofi. So I'm going to fit it now. It's okay. So this is my tomato and wow. So this is the potato. I'm going to put it here. Guys, this is the potato. Can you see it? So I'm going to fry the egg now. So this is the oil. So this is the egg, guys. I've already put Maggi. I will not put salt. So if I put it, it's going to be too much. It will be much. So that's fancy. So guys, see you later. Hey guys. Hey guys. Say guys. So, we are going down. So guys, we are going out. Can you see my feet? Say guys. So we are going to bus stop now. We are going to wait for the bus now. So guys, we are just going out to just check what is going on out there. Oh my god. So we are just going out to know what's up, Oh my god. So we are just going out. This is our bus stop. Oh my god. So anyways, we are just going to Osborg to make some shopping this morning. So guys, I told you guys we are going to do this together today. We are going out together. So guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So oh my god, we are going out today. We are going to rock it today. What we have today is not much. Can you see my beautiful angel? Anu, say hey guys. Anu, shut up. Anu, say hey guys. Say hey guys. If I say hey guys. Hey guys. So guys, we are waiting for bus now. So it's going. He will soon come now. I think he's. The bus is 10:47. So we are waiting for bus, and we will continue this vlog. And we will continue this vlog inside the bus. Okay. See you later. So guys, I'm inside the bus now. We are going to Oxford. So we are going to Oxford, guys. So this is what we are doing. This is what we are going to do today. We are just going to catch fun or to buy something in African store, you know. Because as far as this, over 2 weeks now. I have not been going out. I rather go to supermarket to buy things and come back to my house. Times inside the bus, there is nobody inside the bus, only me and my kids. Can you imagine? Anyway, I said bye. I won't speak now because my friend told me. She said by next week now, everywhere is going to be fine. So everybody, they will start going to work, and I just want you guys to say for me. You know I'm safe. Are you safe? So guys, we are going to Banff now. So I think I'm going to talk to you later when I get to Oxford, okay? I'm about to go. I'm on my way to Oxford. So we remain 3 stops to reach Oxford. So guys, I said I'm going to carry you guys along, you know, because we do this together, and I told you guys I'm going to carry you guys along, you know. So we need to stop to get to Oxford now. So first of all, I'm going to African store to get things, to get what I want. So after then, I'm going to face where I'm going to. So guys, stay tuned. Oh my God, I know say hey guys. If I say guys, see if I say guys, I know say hey guys. This is your friend. Say at all. Say hello. I know say hello. Say hello. This is my daughter. Look at her. I don't know what happened to her. I don't know what's wrong with her. She'll be hungry. I don't know why. See her sister. Oh my gosh, she's so lovely, and her life very simple. But she likes to cry a lot. So guys, I think I'm going to leave you guys. So when I get to Oxford, I'll update you guys. See you. So yeah, guys, I'm in Oxford now. Can you see it? So we are about to. I changed my mind to go to where I'm going to go to African store, and I said later I'm going to do it. I will do it later. So this is Oxford. I see it. Oh my God, Bate here. So there's one bus is coming, so we have to wait for the bus. Okay, yeah, Schnee. Come on. So yeah, Schnee. So guys, Schnee. So warum? Was ist lieb? Also, danke. So guys, go front. So guys, see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up and share the video to friends and family. See you on my next video. Bye. I say bye, Ife.
bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Come on,
Bye.
say.